Hello guys, and this is Morris from the Best Online Tutorials here. And in today's video, we'll show you how to fix the error code on your Bosch dishwasher. So the error code we're going to be looking at for today's video is the E01 error code. So the E01 error means there is a fault in the heat pump motor circuit on the main control board. So the dishwasher can't heat water properly, leading to poor cleaning, no drying, or cycle interruptions. So basically, it just means your dishwasher can't steam up your plates, it can't clean your plates using hot water, you can't even get your plates dry using a normal dry air. All right, so what could be the common causes of these issues? What are the common causes of these issues? We have a faulty main control board or power module. We also have faulty main control board or power module. We also have issues with the heat pump not receiving power. So this is a disassembled heat pump. So you're going to be getting the E01 error code when this heat pump can't actually generate some heat for your dishwasher. All right, another issue or another common cause is clogged filters or wiring faults that prevent heating. So as you can see, this is what a filter looks like. Now, a good filter is meant to look like this. So it's actually meant to look like this. When it's cleaned up, you can see the cap has been removed and you can clearly see the filter is cleaned up. All right, so what are the fixes you can try for this? You could start with a simple reset. Basically, unplug your dishwasher or turn off the breaker for 5 to 10 minutes. Some sources say 30 seconds is enough, but just make sure you follow this tutorial and then simply plug it back in and run a short test cycle to see if the E01 still appears. So it's just a simple unplug and plug back in. Now, if that doesn't do the trick, you may have to do some additional checks like checking your water supply. So make sure your faucets are fully open and your inlet hose isn't kinked or damaged, and also you have a clean inlet filter for blockages. So you have to make sure the inlet filter I just showed you a while back, this inlet filter, you have to make sure this inlet filter is clean and looks good. That way you avoid problems. All right, guys. So if any of this doesn't work, your next step is going to be calling a technician. So Bosch would provide you with a technician for this problem. So please contact Bosch support. All right, guys, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.